This is Hurricane Irene in East New York, B. I know I shouldn't be outside at all, but just show you what it's looking like. It's not looking too crazy right now. Not at all. Not at all. Look at how good Swiss is. No cars on the road, G. That's what it's looking like out here. Not too crazy. Let me walk back to my house before it gets crazy out here. Before shit gets shitty. Oh, what the? Oh, wow. I didn't even see this shit. This is a garbage can. Let me dial it up. That belongs on the corner. This garbage can came all the way from over here. That was crazy out there. The wind's blowing the trees. I think I should be getting the crib now. Yeah, let me do that. Hurricane Irene, East New York. This is what it's looking like. It's not too crazy right now. What time is it? 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock on the dot. Let me get in the crib though. Dial it down. That garbage can right there belong on the corner. That's just crazy. I'm out though.